Hello, good morning, children. Welcome back to the new session. Today, let us know the summary of the poem The Shed. There is a shed at the bottom of the poet's garden, and the poet wishes to visit it one day. The poet has a shed at the end of the garden, and he wants to visit it. There is a spider's web on the door of the shed, and its hinges are rusty and creak when the wind blows. The shed's door is covered with spider's web, and its hinges are rusty and creak when the wind blows. They make a creaking noise, sudden sharp noise. The poet often thinks about it while lying in his bed. Before going to bed, the poet thinks about the shed. On one side of the shed, on one side of the shed, there is a dusty window and three of its window panes are broken. On the other side of the door of the shed, there is a dusty window and three of its window panes are broken. It is in bad condition. The poet feels as if someone stares at him through the window. The poet feels that he was being stared by someone through that window. And whenever the poet visits the shed, he would like to find out who lives there. When the poet goes to the shed, he wants to know that who lives in that shed. The poet's brother informs him that a ghost lives inside the shed, and if the poet dares to enter the shed, the ghost would chop off his head. That the poet was misguided by his brother that there is a ghost in the shed, and if the poet goes into the shed, he would be chopped off by his by the ghost, right? Despite these warnings, the poet wishes to visit the shed and peep inside. The poet believes that his brother tells him. Despite of all these warnings, the poet yet wants to visit the shed and look into the shed. The poet believes that his brother tells lie. Imaginative stories about the ghost as he wants to keep the shed for himself. The poet misguided him to keep that shed for himself. The poet no longer feels anyone staring at him or hears that the poet doesn't experience that he was being stared through that window, and he has no idea about any strange noises also, any strange noises coming from that shed. The spider too no longer there, thus very soon he would go inside the shed. He would not find any spiders very soon, so it would be free for him. The poet determined to go into the shed. This is the summary of the poem. Write this summary along with the new words, and in the next session, let us discuss the question answers of this poem. Thank you. Have a nice day.